This segment will show you how to attach the hitch brackets to the assembly. First, you need to measure the height of the hitch on your tractor. There is a page in your instruction manual that you can use which has a mark at 10 inches, or you can use another measuring tool. There are two different ways to assemble the hitch brackets and hitch tubes depending on the height of the hitch on your tractor. If the tractor hitch is less than 10 inches above the ground, assemble the hitch brackets by placing the bent hitch bracket Part 5 underneath the connected hitch tubes, with one end of the bent bracket against the hitch tubes and the bent end bending down and away from the tubes. The hitch bracket Part 4 will go on top of the connected hitch tube. Secure the hitch brackets to the ends of the hitch tubes with the two hex bolts Part B extending through the brackets, with the rear hex bolt positioned between the cross bolts connecting the hitch tubes. Secure the hex bolts with two nylock nuts Part G, but do not tighten them yet. Insert the hitch pin Part N through the hole at the end of the top hitch bracket, then through the two 3/4 inch spacers Part I in between the brackets and through the bottom bent hitch bracket. Secure the hitch pin to the assembly using a hair cotter pin Part M on the bottom. Now, if your tractor hitch is 10 inches or more above the ground, then you will place the bent hitch bracket on top of the attached hitch tubes and place the flat hitch bracket below. Then, secure the hitch brackets by inserting the two hex bolts through the brackets, with the rear hex bolt between the cross bolts connecting the hitch tubes. Again, secure the bolts with the two nylock nuts, but do not tighten them all the way yet. Now, insert the hitch pin down through the hole in the end of the bent hitch bracket, then through the two spacers, Part I, through the end hole of the flat hitch bracket, and secure the hitch pin with the hairpin cotter. Next, you can go back and tighten all of the bolts in the hitch assembly using a socket wrench.